Headlight cleaner and sealant from Turtle Wax. Restores clarity and seals headlights to protect and prevent future yellowing. It's several pounds to buy. It's a 2-in-1.
300ml.
300ml. It's like a white paste, and this is the headlight at the moment. As you can see, it's quite hazy. So
if you look there, look, it's real bad.
We're going to give it a go.
So
see if it works. So just in case if you're thinking about buying it, you know if it works or not.
I'll tell you what,
it's working straight away. That looks like
that, my friends, is damn. If you get inside the lights, it's 20 years old. But
well, they're old headlights, so we should say that for a start.
If you want to watch an interesting video while I'm doing this, have a look at our bumper repair that some kind person damaged. Look at that. That's one
headlight. And if you buff it up, it gets even better.
So look at that one. This one.
That headlight there.
To
that one.
That is quite amazing, that, because you get a lot of these products and they're absolutely hopeless.
It looks actually worse in person than it does on camera, I have to say.
So here, let's have a. So that wasn't a fluke. I've tried other stuff on it. I haven't really done a lot before. And that might be top tip, I don't know. It's 18th December 2022. It's freezing out here and it still works. So
yeah, it even works in the cold as well.
So if you're bored and you're sat in the supermarket waiting for someone to do the shopping or wherever, get your Turtle Wax head cleaner out. Done a bit more on this one.
Yeah, and you can see the result is a bit better.
Wow.
That's literally using up, and there's a whole full bottle here.
I'll tell you what.
You that lasts you forever.
No word of a lie, that looks like a new headlight. What about them?
So let's have a look next. There's the fog lights. Don't really pay much attention to the fog lights, but they do need a little bit.
I'll tell you if it comes up. Wow, yeah, straight away.
Yeah.
This is good stuff. I tell my friend Alfred about this. Yeah, real.
It works like straight away, basically. I'm just using a microfiber cloth here.
Show the other fog light.
That's what the other fog light looks like. All hazy and horrible.
Show this one with a quick wipe.
And there we go.
That's pretty neat. I mean, look at that. I can't get around well each time.
Yeah,
this has got some staining inside, but because sometimes I tell you why you want to do this regularly. If you go for an MOT, they will fail it on.
Yeah, hazy headlights.
Dodgy, hazy
especially
headlights.
In the UK, they will, yeah.
So I'm just giving this a second bump, and I guess it'll work on rear lights and all sorts, but you can't moan at that, can you? I mean, that does look like new headlights, apart from
stuff inside, but that's not the product's fault. That's just sold.
Let's do it.
It does say before you use it to give it a quick clean. We've given it a clean with some soapy water.
Right, there you go.
So there's some rubbish on that one.
Oh god, yeah. I'll tell you one thing. Right, and I know this for sure now. Right, we'll have the brightest headlights in the neighbourhood. The envy, the headlight envy.
Yeah, that's made quite a big difference. That has actually.
Save getting new headlights.
Right.
Anyway, yeah, I bet it even does that as well.
Oh, it probably does all sorts of plastic.
Anything with like clear perspex, number plates. I'll get. Yeah, look at that. Cleans your number plate up.
Cleans anything up with plastic, basically any lenses or anything like that. It's well better.
Right. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Thanks for watching.